Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Before we start, I want to introduce myself and my friends. My name is Indra Juliana and my friends is Ali Hasan Basri and Diana Sari. Today we will explain about how to compress and extract file from Android. What the advantage of doing this? To make it easier for us to send a lot of file in one time. For the example, you want to send 100 photos or file to your friend, but you can't send them one by one because it will take some time. But if you compress 100 photos into one file, it will speed up the sending process and will not take that much time. The steps will be explained by Diana Sari and Ali Hasan Basri.
Okay, let's get in on the step. You will need smartphone and Jar. You can download this application from Google Play Store. And here is the step to compress photo or files. First, open Jar from your smartphone. Second, put all photo or file in one folder. For the example, we will put the photo in folder Ulin. Third, tap the folder icon and it will change to green line. Fourth, press the green line until the menu option appears. 5. Select compress ke zip. If your phone uses English language, please select compress to zip. 6. You wait loading process until done. And finally, file named Ulin is ready to send. And how to extract the file will be explained by Ali. Thank you.
Thank you, Diana. And here I will explain how to extract the file. Please listen. Let's get in the step. First, click the file and the option menu will appear warning. Don't press it, just click the file. Please select extract di sini. If your phone use English language, please select extract here. Next, wait until the please loading process done and your photo or files are ready to extracted. That is all from us. Thank you for listening. We hope this will help you in the future. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.